Hi! So, for today's vlog, nandito kami sa Mortimer Farm. So, ayan. We were going to see some pumpkins. So, this is my first time to see some pumpkins in my real life. Ayan, guys. So, nandito pa kami sa entrance. Yan, sa likod ko. So, ayan, guys. Come and enjoy. Let's enjoy this. Malamig dito, ano na, I think 49 degrees. It's cold. Hello, ang lalaki ng mga pumpkins sila. Manul. So, ayan guys. Ayan, ang lalaki ng mga pumpkins. Ano yan? What is this like? Uy! Ayan, may mga pumpkins. Ito kayo sa more ang lamig. Uy! Look at that. So, ayan guys. Yep. Yeah. That's a nice pumpkin.
That one has pimples.
Pimples. Oh, it's cold here. Ayun, meron to. Guys. Ang saya.
Little ones in here.
Yep. Oh. It's nice. So, at uy, kalabasa man kasama niyo eh. Malamig na dito, oh my god. So, ayun guys. Okay, papasok mo kami. We're going inside now. So, it's heavy. Let's see.
Look at the shape of that.
So guys, ayan may mga ano. Hala, is this egg? Pickled egg? Yeah, it's pickled egg. Wow. Wildflower honey. Hi. So, ayun guys, lalabas na kami yan from eat and play. Wow! What they have here? Look, ano na kayo? Parang card. Get it? You think so? Oh yeah, kind. Oh no! You can get it outside too?
Yeah.
Okay. Have to get the pumpkin later. So we are going to,
Let's go back.
so we're going to walk around na guys. So Mark already have some big green bell paper. Yeah. So, is this still a bell pepper too? I think it is. Yeah, but they're small. We have to get a big bell pepper. So they have
Oh,
chicken.
these are tomatoes.
Oh, this one they have tomato. Look, a fresh tomato.
So this is.
How to get this? Oh, ayan, ala. This one is, it's nice because still green. So, ayan. So, they have chicken here too. Hi, chickens!
Oh, chickens. I bet they're like corn on the cob just to
Oh, yeah. We should get
See, just
Yeah.
like that one. Get some of those for the chickens.
for our chickens. And then look, there's their house.
Yeah, let's look inside their house.
Look, let's see their house. Hi, chickens! Why you follow me? Look. Hi, chickens.
Look, we can get some scratch for him and throw it.
Yeah. Hi, chickens. We have chicken in our house also. Look, a lot of chickens. So, you pick strawberry patch. So, ayan, we're going to pick some strawberry. Oh, what is that? Watermelon? Pumpkin. Why they throw that there? So,
Go way down there.
Yeah.
Strawberries.
so yeah, mga strawberries. Pero, kind of they don't have now. They don't? No more dog. Oh. Aray. Pero ano, my nose, my ear are really cold. Hey, they have like this, but it's not. Hi. Man, I found some. They're still not. Hey, this one. Yeah. So kind of they don't have. So parang ubos na yung mga ganda at mga malalaking. So ayan pa nakuha namin. Ayan, then dito na pala yung mga pumpkins. So maganda kami ng malaking pumpkins. Para dali namin pa uwi. Oh my god. Malaki. So maghahanap daw siya si Mark ng malaking pumpkin.
I think probably this weekend.
Oh, yeah. Find the big.
This is all their vines.
Hey, that's also. Yeah. Look at that.
I bet that's cool to throw.
Yeah. But we have to get the big one for Halloween. So, look, it's all the way there. Yeah. Hey, they have that one. That's they're all dead. Yun, harvest na sila. Let's see.
You can cut a face onto that.
Oh yeah. That's not, but that is not a yellow.
We're not gonna find any yellow ones because all those are picked already.
Maybe in their display out there, they do.
What?
In outside. Hey, they have small here. Oh, dead. Oh, poor. Finally, guys, we found someone, and still nasa ano siya, yung parang nakakabit sa bed. So, ayan. Ay, nakita natin kami. Pero nakita ako dito kanina. So, ayan, nakita ko siya, pero super flat. So, ayan yun. So, may nakita kami. Oh, that one is nice too. So, ngayon mag-harvest na kami ng kukuha kami ng ano pala, ng mga vegetable dun sa ano dun. Ayan dun. Mga okra, mga bell pepper, eggplant. Then we'll get ng eggplant kanina. So, dami guys, shrimps. Pero yung iba na oh. So, finally, may ilalagay na kami na pumpkin sa aming cart. What is that? Where's your eyes? Where's your sunglasses? So, dito na may corn. I think other people, they already pick it. Look.
It's a
Corn
corn maze.
maze. Wow, they take photos. So, guys, ayan, may playground for kids dito. Ayan. I take photos of you. So, let's see. Let's see. Hey! Okay. So, ayan ang Pilipinas. So, yun guys. Ayan, daming mga bata. Ayan. Oh, man.
Jumping fill of the kids.
Ang cute. Bakit orange? Ay! Nakita ako. Ayan. Wow, perfect. So, ayan, ayan. Isa. Dito siya. Okay. Sayang naman. So, I found 3 too. Ay, ano pa dito siya? Ayan. Ayan guys. Okay, siya. Ito siya. So, may 4 na ako guys. Ito pa. Sayang. Ayan. Oh. So, may tayo 5. Sayang din. Paano ba?
Okay, well, that's plenty.
Put it in
We'll
your...
go back before we
Yeah.
heat these up. So
Okay. Yan guys. So, may... Or ako, tapos yun dito na kuha yung dalawa. Ano? Sharp art. They have... That's fresh. Hello, look. O, di ba manual? Ayan na lang. They have They are in the.
Getting bigger. Quite ready.
This is like pepper. Chili pepper. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that's fresh. We get shit. Hey, look at that. That's. Oh, this is nice. Eggplant. Yeah, this is a nice eggplant. That's a nice eggplant. Eggplant. So, you pick blackberry. Ayan. Maghanap tayo ng blackberry. I think they are all, yeah. Look, they are all nothing.
Well, you can see there's little ones starting here on there, but
Yeah. They don't have. Sila. Ay, bigo tayo sa paghahanap ng blackberry. So guys, that's it for today. Ayan, we're going to drive home. Maraming tao dito ngayon. Woo. Nakabili ako ng fresh eggplant and one pumpkin. Pero green pa siya. So okay, bye-bye. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye guys.